In today's video, we are going to solve problem 17. Press S plus X plus 2 and press Enter. Shift plus D to duplicate solid. G plus X to change its position in X-axis. Now press S plus Y plus 0.2 and press Enter to scale transform using hotkeys and parameters. Press Shift plus A and add a new plane mesh to the scene. Move it along Z-axis. Toggle to edit mode and click on the knife tool and cut the plane from middle diagonal and press Enter. Press 3 on keyboard face, select mode, and select the one triangle face and delete it. Now press E to extrude the triangular face region. Go to Object Mode. Right-click on the bottom bar and horizontal split the viewport in 2 halves. Click on blue Z icon on the gizmo. Go to Edit Mode and press 2 for Face Select Mode. And move the selected edge in Y-axis. Duplicate the solid and mirror it to Y-axis and place it to the other side. Select this cuboid solid and duplicate it, transform to the X and Z axis. Now select the outer cuboid solid and click on Wrench Modifier icon and apply the Boolean difference modifier, dropping the outer cuboid. Delete the outer cuboid. Click on Video Recorder icon and fly navigate the selected camera to a good view. Place the light correctly and render the image. Congratulations, you have solved this Blender problem. A few other video on Blender problems will come very soon. You can join this channel. Thanks for watching.